Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to change touchpad size on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In settings, scroll down and go to accessibility. In accessibility, go to interaction and dexterity. Here in interaction and dexterity, you can see the assistant menu. You'll have to do is tap this. And the first things you can do is enable the assistant menu by switching on the switch button on the right side. And that's it, okay? Here the assistant menu. But in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change touchpad size on Samsung Galaxy A02. You'll have to do is go to touchpad, cursor, and magnifier settings. Okay, tap this. And you can see here the touchpad size. Okay, the touchpad size is set into medium. And okay guys, to change this, you'll have to do is tap the touchpad size and the pop-up bar show. Okay, you can see the option. You can change into small, medium, or large. And okay guys, I decide to change into large. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully changed the touchpad size on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.